This is again where we'll try to understand some of the services which we use in the production network, because technically you do have a LAN, right, as we know, and we also have a WAN. So the LAN and WAN is always there. On the top of it, you implement security, which I discussed. There will be VPNs, another section we covered. On the top of it, you also have some services running. You generally have a DHCP server, which is responsible for providing the IP address. You have an NTP server, which will provide a time synchronization. You have syslog servers, which will generate the logs. What exactly they are, we'll try to discuss. You also have an SNMP server. You have an SNMP server for monitoring your network. So you need to know how to enable the SNMP on the switches. So basically, you will have those additional services running compulsory. It's not like, you just run routers, switches, and everything works. Everything works on the top of it, but you still need some additional services to be enabled. Additionally, you have some HSRP, VRRP features you enable for redundancy. And also you implement some quality of service for prioritizing the traffic. And you also have some multicasting running in your network. If there is a multicasting running, let's say you have a CCTV or a video streaming. Generally, if you go to universities, like recently we did something on the university where they have the online streaming classes, and they'll be running the multicasting. So you should know how to enable the multicasting as well, how it works, what is PIN, what is IGMP, those things. So on the top of every network, you will have the additional services running on the top of it. Of course, the dependencies, LAN and WAN, routing, switching is the basic core network. On the top of it, you add all these services, which will allow you to run additional options. Okay. So the services are very critical. If you just think DHCP server is not working, what will happen? The user will not get an IP address. Or, if you take a simple example, the switch is down, anything it can be. Or if the time is not properly synchronized, if the NTP service is not working, or if it is not properly enabled, the devices will not get the right time. And that will impact many things. Like, again, I'll talk more on this in the NTP when we come on to this. You must have a time synchronization important. Or if the logging is not enabled, then logging means, keeping a track of the changes. SNMP is for monitoring, HSRP for redundancy, and then multicasting, all these things runs in the production network. So we'll try to cover all these services in the services module. The services module is mainly focuses on all these technologies. So I just listed only a few. There are a few more additional services you actually see in general. Okay. So services are must, which is something you need to run. Like I said, quality of service can be one. Multicasting is not listed. Multicasting is another important service which you see in the production networks, especially if you are doing some streaming, like universities, colleges, or any kind of other thing. Monitoring, this is must. So out of 10 services, let's say if you are covering, there will be 7 to 8 services you will be running in every production network, depending upon medium to big size networks I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the small networks, because in the CCNP, you're not learning small networks. You're actually managing medium to big size networks. So where you have the users from 100 users to thousands of users. That's how big is, kind of a big company network.